Next in CSS, we are going to see its padding property. So in CSS folder, we are creating a file padding.html, and in this file, this is our basic HTML code, and within head section, I'm giving style tag, and within this style tag, I'm setting some properties for my paragraph tag. First thing, I want that text of my paragraph should be red in color. So I'm giving color red. Second thing, I want that its background color should be aqua. Background color should be aqua. Third thing, I want that paragraph should have border 1 pixel, solid black. And one more thing I'm taking is width colon 10%. Okay, first we'll see how a paragraph looks without giving width. Here I'm taking one paragraph tag, and here I'm writing paragraph 1. Save it, click on go live. So we can see that paragraph is taking complete width of window, that is, it is going from left side of our screen to right side of our screen, because paragraph is a block level element. So it will take full width until we specify its width. So here we are specifying its width 10%. So we'll see that now it will take only 10% of your browser screen. So this is the 10% of your browser screen. Now I'm creating one class which is related to my paragraph p.1, and in this paragraph I'm giving padding. So what is padding? Padding is used to create a space between element content and its border. So it's a space between whatever you are writing inside writing and its border. So here I'm giving padding colon, I'm giving it 50 pixel, and here I'm creating p class equals to, within double quotes I'm giving 1, double quotes close, here we'll close it, and here for our convenience I'm writing 50 so that we can check easily. So this is our paragraph with 50 pixel width. 50, we have given just one number, that is 50. That means its top padding, uh, this right side padding, downside padding, and left padding is 50 pixel. But we can see that here it is taking more space than the width, because here we have set the width of paragraph to 10 pixel, 10%. It is taking 10%, but here it is taking more than 10 pixel because we have specified padding. Now here we are creating one more class p.2, and here I'm giving padding. First of all, I'm taking top and I'm giving 20 pixel padding, and padding left I'm giving it to 20 pixel. So our top padding is 20 pixel, right padding is 50 pixel, bottom padding is 50 pixel, and left side padding is 20 pixel. and here I'm creating e class equals to, within double quotes I'm giving here 2, and here I'm specifying for our convenience 20, top padding 50 is our right side padding, 50 is our bottom, and 20 is our left. Again 50 and 20. Width of this paragraph is also 10%, but because of padding it is going to take more space. So we can see that it has taken more space than 10% of width. So to keep the width of all the paragraphs equal to 10%, that means we have specified width of our paragraph to 10%. So what we have to do, we have to use box size and property, and we have to assign box border to it. So that width of all the paragraphs will remain same, that is 10%. So here we are creating one more class, p dot tree, and here I'm giving padding. We can specify padding in single statement also, like this. We'll use same numbers like 20 pixel, 20 pixel, space 50 pixel, space again 50 I'm taking, previous one only, and then 20 pixel. Put semicolon here, and here I'm giving box hyphen sizing. We have to assign box border to it. So now this paragraph, that is paragraph 3, will have 10% of width despite of padding. So here also I'm giving same thing. We have taken same. Here we'll change the class name. Save it and click on go live. So now we can see that our fourth paragraph, that is paragraph 3, is taking 10% of width despite of giving padding property. And here we have taken padding, that's why the width is going out of 10%. So to keep the width of the paragraph equal despite of padding, we have to use box sizing property, and we have to assign box border to it.